Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I've personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. So we're just taking a quick look at Polygon then on our daily time frame. As we could see, very much respecting that local range that we were in previously. Having a bounce again, just like a lot of altcoins have over the past few days. Bitcoin going sideways at around that 90k all-time high area. And as a result, we have seen a lot of cryptos basically just, having a little bit of a capital rotation again. They obviously had a little bit of a nice impulse to the upside and reversal with Bitcoin heading to 90k. Now that Bitcoin's been going sideways for a decent amount of time, you can see here Polygon, we obviously came up with a nice impulse, back tested this previous level of support as support again, and now we're basically inside of our range, probably looking for a breakout and continuation back to the upside. As I said, I did think that Polygon was exceptionally overextended. Once we came down here, we consolidated for a while going sideways, and then we got that last impulse to the downside. I really felt like we were at the pinnacle of being just way too overextended to the downside. Let me just turn my RSI and my moving average on so you can see what's going on a bit more. I thought once we saw this ridiculously, insanely bullish divergences, we came down, we swept below the bear market range low down here. I think a little bit of a liquidation cascade happened. All those people that had long positions down below or stop losses down below that bear market range low getting swept out. And then that reversal with the whole market looking really bullish. I took a long position down here once I saw that we broke below this range low because I just felt like we were insanely overextended to the downside at this point. And you can see I got a little bit more drawdown and then that huge reversal back into the range. Now looking in my opinion that we're going to get that continuation I'm looking for. I did say in my previous video that we're probably going to be heading up towards that 0.23 Fibonacci at 50 cents pretty quickly. And overall, I would say that's probably going to come to fruition here pretty quickly indeed, as you can see. I've got my take profit for this position up at the 618 Fibonacci up here. It's going to take a little while to get up here, I think, but the way that Polygon does tend to have these little moves to the upside of decent volume, I thought maybe we might end up having potentially a short cascade. Obviously, people have been shorting this all the way down and have probably been making a decent amount of money, but I do think we are about to reverse back around in a big way, and if we do start to see a decent capital rotation from those large caps into these middle cap type cryptos. Polygon, what's it sitting at now? It's got to be about $1 or $2 billion market cap, maybe somewhere around there. So I would say it's probably a large cap, you would argue, wouldn't you? But definitely a lot smaller than Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, even XRP and Cardano now heading up. I do think Polygon's probably going to get a little trickle down effect of that capital into these cryptos. As we know, cryptos, they work in a little cycle within the cycle where the large cap, the Bitcoin and Ethereum, Solana now I would argue is one of the top three. They move first and then the capital rotates into smaller caps. We get more gains, then the micro caps, and then we reverse back around again. Happens 2 or 3 times in the cycle. And you can see here Polygon very much looking like, in my opinion, we're about to get a trickle of some more capital. Breaking above this 100 moving average would be absolutely ideal on the daily. If we do that, I think we'll probably be heading up into the region of 60 or 70 cents pretty quickly once we do start to see a nice movement for altcoins. Right now, just chilling and waiting. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. Bitrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.